Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about what to expect from the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is the upcoming flagship smartphone from Apple, and it's expected to be a major upgrade over the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So what are some of the features that we can expect from the iPhone 15 Pro Max? Well, for starters, we're expecting a new A17 Bionic chip with a 3nm process. This will be a significant improvement over the A16 Bionic chip in the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and it should deliver some major performance gains. We're also expecting a new 6.7-inch LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. This will be the same display that's in the iPhone 14 Pro Max, but it's rumored to be slightly brighter and have better color accuracy. The camera system is also expected to get a major upgrade. The main sensor is rumored to be 48MP, which would be a significant increase over the 12MP sensor in the iPhone 14 Pro Max. We're also expecting a new periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. The design is also expected to get a slight refresh. The bezels are rumored to be thinner, and the phone is rumored to have a titanium chassis. So those are just a few of the features that we can expect from the iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's shaping up to be a major upgrade over the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and it's sure to be one of the most popular smartphones of 2023. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think about the iPhone 15 Pro Max. If you're interested in learning more about the iPhone 15 Pro Max, be sure to check out the links in the description below. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.